Good morning. Today is day 4 of Vlogmas and you are now on my vlogging camera because I was trying to vlog all of Vlogmas with my phone, but apparently it doesn't like it. So we're just gonna stick with my G7X and let's get into it today. I want to thank everybody for the orders that came in overnight last night. I woke up and I was like, oh my gosh. But today is the day, and yes, I am drinking a matcha latte out of a pickle jar. So today I want to finish all of my restock. I want to finish all of my orders, get that out today because hopefully tomorrow I can make some new stuff because I have some really good ideas. I just had to change out my blades for my silhouette machines, so now I have to figure out what the cut like depth and the force and everything is. I have to reset my settings and everything because every time I change out the blades it's always a different cut setting, so I have to figure that out to do the die cut because I do easy peel stickers and I need to make sure that I'm not cutting through the bottom of them because if I did, that wouldn't be good for, you know, everybody. I'm gonna go ahead and figure that out real quick. Some stuff cutting that I need to do. I think I have like 4 more orders that I need to finish, but I want to get this out to our mail person comes, so we got a whole stack of them. Have more to go, but we'll just get this in there real quick first. It is 3:50 in the afternoon and oh my gosh, I finally finished all of my orders. Thank you so much everyone for all the orders that you've been placing with me and my shops. I'm actually done packing orders. I have no outstanding orders. That is just amazing. That is the first time this year that I've actually caught up with everything, and there's a lot of reasons why, but I have no outstanding orders and it feels amazing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to work on some new stuff and then I'm going to call it a day. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. Wow, okay, so it ended up being, it's 8:40 right now, 8:40 at night. I got carried away a little much, but I ended up making 3 new kits and I made some new boxes. Let me show you all that fun stuff. I do have one more kit printing. I'll probably show you that tomorrow. I'm not going to cut that today, but I made a pink and black hearts kit. So 6 pages, just like all my other kits, but pink and black love hearts. I love pink and black together. They're like my most favorite colors. It's like my high school colors. I used to always wear pink and black. That's all I used to do was pink and black. And it's kind of nice to have something a little different than what the normal aesthetic is lately. And then I made another holiday. I made 2 more holiday kits. This one is pink and mint. I'll be putting this in the shop probably tomorrow, sometime tomorrow afternoon. And for Charming Dreams, all of the 6-sheet sticker packs are $5. It's like a little discount, affordable type of kit. Say, you know, somebody that's like starting off and just wanting to try out stickers, these are a great option. Look at these. So these are the holiday ones. It looks really busy, but I'm probably gonna make samples or like little ideas on how to use these on a little plan with me or something, so you can see what it looks like on paper, because just as stickers it looks cute, but they look kind of overwhelming for the pattern. But when you put it actually on the planner itself or your journal, it actually doesn't look that bad. It looks really cute. And then I have primary colors that I'm going to cut tomorrow. I have primary colors, and then I also made boxes. I'm going to cut those out tomorrow. And then I also made some mini boxes in, of course, the Dreamer colors, which is pastel-y, light pink, purple, and blue, like a lavender, a light blue, and a light pink. And then classic winter mini boxes, which is the same design as the other classic kit. So that's what I got for today. That's as far as I got. And then I got another order in that I'm going to cut really quickly so I can have that ready to go out tomorrow. But other than that, it's not 8:43 and I am tired. I've been back and forth in my room, in this craft room, since 10. But I got carried away because I love what I do in here, so it's perfectly fine. But yeah, I've been in here since 10 today, so I'm gonna go ahead and log out, edit this so it's up for Vlogmas in the morning, and I shall see you guys tomorrow for another one. Alrighty, everybody, have a great night. Thank you. See you later. Bye.